Oftentimes, communities struggle with the same issues, but they don't collaborate with one another to solve those problems. We encourage communities to work together to solve common problems.
Law Enforcement Assisted Diversion, or LEAD, is a program that allows officers to divert individuals who have frequent contact with law enforcement due to unmet behavioral health needs or substance use disorder. It gives officers the option to divert individuals into long-term case management where their needs will actually be addressed instead of having them be arrested again or giving another citation.
It's a program that we have implemented in 10 communities right now in Allegheny County to help keep people with unmet behavioral health needs and substance use disorders out of the criminal legal system and into long-term case management.
Often in communities when people are dealing with things like unmet behavioral health needs or substance use disorder, they tend to feel disconnected from the community. LEAD gives them the supports that they need to become active members of their community once again.
What we do is we connect them to long-term case management to work on things that they're interested in working on.
These can be things like going back to school, getting your GED, focusing on housing.
That's very important with this population because most times most programs haven't given them the opportunity to choose what they want to work on and when. Also, the community benefits because you have that person taking up less time of law enforcement and using less services in the community. The time that they usually spend on somebody who has an unmet behavioral health need or substance use disorder can take up a whole shift of one officer. This gives officers more time to address other community needs.
Police can divert the arrest of an individual who has committed a low-level crime due to unmet behavioral health needs or substance use disorder. For example, if a police officer encounters someone who's been shoplifting, instead of arresting them or issuing them a citation, they can instead refer them to our case management agency where they will receive the support and care that they need. So we've tried to make this process as simple as possible. When you get to the point where you encounter a person who you would like to refer through a social contact or through arrest diversion, in either scenario, you use a QR code and it will take you to a form. You put in the basic demographic information. A case manager can actually come to the spot where you are with the person, and then the person goes on with that case manager, they get coffee, they have a chat, they start figuring out what the needs are, perhaps fill out the intake form, and the police officer is done with the process. If, however, you happen to be invested in this person and you want to know what's happened after that, we do have meetings wherein you can come and find out updates about the person's progress and kind of support them in their journey moving forward. LEAD offers participants a long-term, non-judgmental support system that they can count on through the good times and the bad.